I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A3 wing mirror. First, gather tools and a replacement mirror before you begin. I will walk you through choosing the right mirror, removing trim without damage, accessing and disconnecting the wiring harness, unbolting the mount, and fitting the new unit. I will also show adjustment checks, sealing tips, and how to avoid common mistakes so the job is reliable and neat. In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the mirror replacement. Set up a clean work area and organize tools for easy access. Remove small clips into a labeled tray to prevent loss. Check the replacement mirror fits the model and has matching connectors. Use a soft cloth to protect painted surfaces and keep fasteners together. Confirm the battery is safely disconnected before you start removing interior panels. In this video, I will help you through the step-by-step replacement process. Begin by gently prying off the triangular trim piece and unscrewing the fasteners that hold the mirror. Have a helper support the mirror externally as you disconnect the wiring and remove bolts. Position the new mirror, feed the harness through, and tighten bolts evenly to the correct torque. Reinstall trim, reconnect the battery, and test electronic adjustments and heating functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.